Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, volatile day with consolidation. I wasn't expecting Bank Nifty to break this low and then consolidate, but as you can see, Bank Nifty first broke this low. So if you would have taken a sell trade over here, you would have hit your stop loss over here. But yeah, as I said in previous days video, do not keep big targets over here because this is a place where we can get very good pullbacks, right? And as you can see, Bank Nifty broke the low, although Pin Nifty did not break the previous day's low, so you shouldn't have taken a trade over here. But yeah, if you see Bank Nifty broke the low over here and then retraced on the upside, right? But if you would have kept your target at say 40,500, you probably would have been able to exit over here. But anyways, nonetheless, what can we expect for tomorrow is very simple. Now this looks like a pause over here, right? Although what I was expecting is that we would, probably take a pause somewhere near 41,000 or 40,800, all these levels. But we've kind of taken a pause at the lower levels, right? Over here. So what I am expecting is that probably we could see one more day of pause over here itself, a little bit on the upside over here, right? And after which, if we break down, we can see a very, very good trending expiry. But yeah, the breakdown could also happen tomorrow because this also looks like a pause, right? Anyways, if we see on the daily chart, Bank T is consistently making four red candles, right? So the probability is that we could probably see one small green candle over here on the upside a little bit, and then we could again continue this trend on the downside, right? That could be a very possible scenario, right? In Nifty also, if you see four consistently red candles, so probably we could wait for one more day. If that happens, we can expect a very, very, very good trending expiry on Thursday, right? Anyways, talking about the 15 minutes time frame and how exactly things could go over here, right? Very simple over here. Tomorrow, as soon as we open and cross 40,780, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. But keep in mind, we are in a downtrend over here. So do not go very aggressive on the buying side over here, right? Because since we are generally in a downtrend, so you should, whenever you're in a downtrend and taking, a buying trade, do not go very aggressive on your position sizing, right? On the downside you can go aggressive, but on the buying side do not go very aggressive at this point, because from here probably we could again see a pullback on the downside and your stop loss might get hit, right? So tomorrow, as soon as we open and cross 40,780, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target becomes 40,900 to 930 on the upside, right? Or you can even hold this trade for the rest of the day to get the benefit of theta decay, right? On the downside, very simple. As soon as we cross 40,580, where Bank Nifty has taken consistently has consistently taken supports, you guys can go ahead and sell over here. And from here we can again see Bank Nifty going down, and keep trailing your profits, because there are because from here again, as I said, right, we haven't waited for a long time over here. So again, we could see good pullbacks, because there are good supports over here on the downside at 40,100, 40,200, right? So yeah, what below 40,580 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target should become 40,200, although as I said, 40,300 to 350, although as 300 to 200, although as I said, keep booking your profits and also keep trailing your stop loss. Do not get very greedy over here, right? Because Bank Nifty, if moves tomorrow itself, then again we could expect a little bit of like not such a linear move on the downside, right? Not something like this. We could expect a little bit of volatility with weakness, right? Anyways, if we do open with any sort of a big gap up somewhere near 40,900, all these levels, just do not take a trade. It's okay. You can skip the day. We will see what we can do on the expiry day, right? On the other hand, if we open at 40,400, and after which, if we get a pullback near 40,500 to 550 on the upside, then you guys can go ahead and create short position over here till 40,200 on the downside, right? Now talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty also pretty much being in the downtrend. So tomorrow, say if you open with a gap up near 17,880 and cross this high of 17,891, you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. keep your target at somewhere near 17,950 on the upside, right? Although, as I said, we are in a downtrend, so do not buy very aggressively over here, right? On the other hand, if you see Nifty taking exactly support from 17,800 on the downside, so if we open flat, you guys can go ahead and take a trade as soon as we cross 17,800 on the downside. But it wouldn't really be a very good trade until and unless Nifty stops over here for some time and then breaks down, right? So say in the first half, Nifty sustains above 17,800 and then breaks down, then it will be a more powerful breakdown, right? If we open flat and straight up go down, then things could, I mean, you will have to, probably book profits at 17,760 and all these levels. Because there are multiple supports over here, so Nifty could take support and then, again get volatile, right? On the downside, if we open with a gap up somewhere near 17,760, wait for a pullback near 17,800, and if you see bearish price action then being made over here in 500 chart. So if you see lower lows being made in 500 chart after hitting 17,800, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. Your target should be again 17,720 to 730 on the downside, right? And yeah, guys, that was it for today. And again, tomorrow could be a little bit of a day where we decide where exactly we are going to go for the expiry or how exactly the expiry is going to pan out. But yeah, if we do break down on the downside, Bank Nifty still looks a little bit better because Bank Nifty has pretty much stayed over here, whereas Nifty looks like it was pretty much downtrending today, right? So Bank Nifty looks in a better shape over here, but anyways, if we wait just one more day and do not break these lows over here, we can expect a very good trending expiry on the downside, right? So anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.